So the channel is still very new, and I thought it would be fun to take all of the information that I've been gathering lately about video editing and camera equipment and things like that, and just spend one of my days off having fun with it. Just gathering shots, doing things that I enjoyed doing, going on hikes, chasing this little toad around who had the coolest texture and patterning on his skin. Getting this slider mechanism to work in the field was really satisfying. I also spent the evening going through Pottermore, found out I was a Ravenclaw, super happy about that, it's my favorite house. Also, apparently I have a Dogwood Phoenix Feather Core wand that's 14.5 inches, which I thought I would sculpt using some Apoxie-Sculpt, and using a knitting needle as the armature. And I don't really use Apoxie-Sculpt much at all, and I was really curious to see how it would hold up so thin against the knitting needle, which I bought, by the way, at Creative Reuse. I'm not affiliated with them or sponsored by them, they're just an upcycle type shop, like a used everything you didn't know you wanted or needed for project kind of store that's in Pittsburgh. So if you're in the area and you've not stopped by there, I would definitely recommend it. The Apoxie-Sculpt takes, I think it's like 4 to 6 hours before it really cures up, and you know, it's like another maybe 8 hours before it's ready to be handled. It was super nice, actually. I really thought that would bother me because I'm very impatient about projects like this, but just being able to shape it and form it a little bit, walk away, let it cure a little bit more, come back, do a little bit more detailing, go do something else for a while, come back. It was really nice. It didn't have the same workflow as whenever I'm using like Chavant clay, like a plastiline clay, where I'm just going at 100 miles an hour the whole time. And I was very impressed with how it held up, especially as thin as it is in this particular project. Whenever it did cure, it's still holding up. I mean, I was smacking it off of things to see how much it would take, and it really did well. So that has inspired me to do another wand project that I'll be posting next Saturday. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, become a part of the 3 Stone community, and check out the next wand next week. See you then. I can't golf to save my life, but this is so much fun.